Yeah, what go on again, people? As you already know, this is Justin Blake, you know. A lot of you people will bypass the positive message that I'm sending across. Just to highlight what you saw at the beginning of the video. Reality check. It is mind over matter. If your mind is powerful enough to bypass what you saw at the beginning of the video, focus on the message that I'm sending across. You see, uno people who they import the guns and ammunition in Jamaica illegally and it cause so much killing, may I ask you to please stop. Because you see, if it not affect you directly, it will affect you indirectly. Some point in time, you see the same gun what you import in Jamaica and the bullets them what you import here in Jamaica. 10-20 years from now, that same gun go take the life of your brother, your father, your grandmother, your sister, your daughter, your son, or even your own life. Because when you feel like you make enough money and now you can go live in the best community in Jamaica and feel like you're safe, you better believe say one of them same gun there where you sell give somebody, it may be the same gun and the same bullet to take your life. So I ask you, stop from import all these illegal guns and ammunition into the country. Corrupt police officers, politicians, people who hold a high position in this country, please, I ask you, you don't see say you do enough already. You don't see say you cause enough hurt and pain and suffrage already. We need to do our best to make Jamaica this beautiful paradise that it is. You understand what I say? Please, I beg you, stop. And see for all of my community members, all of the youth them in the communities them across Jamaica, I tell you, you can pick up on your life and wherever it's at. If you feel say you go through a bad situation, I tell you, your ability is what will lift you out of the situation that you are experiencing right now. But you have to first add some positive energy to that ability. You know, if you feel say you don't have no hope, remember the man who went up in the tree and he have the last banana to eat, saying, boy, life hard. And when he eat that banana with the intention to hang himself after, when him drop the skin on the ground, he see somebody pass and pick it up and eat the banana skin and say, thank God. The moral of the story is, no matter the situation we are go through, just remember say, people out there in a worse situation than you. You see what you would and dash way, somebody else out there go find the value in a what you discard and make the best out of it. For example, everybody need a visa to go a foreign, say nothing now go on a Jamaica. And I see be a foreigners that come in the country and they create wealth. You don't ever see none of the rich families them in a Jamaica, the Issas, the Hazans, the Matalan, none of them. You ever see none of them pack up and migrate and nothing now go on a Jamaica? No. You know why? Because they are the ones who is reaping the wealth, the benefit out of Jamaica. You can take nothing and make something out of it. Look at me for example. You go to the movie theater and you buy a popcorn and whatever, spend thousands of dollars to enjoy a movie. Remember, what you saw at the beginning of this video, it is acting. It is not real. It is a fictional scenario of things that occur on a daily basis here in Jamaica and across the world. But me I clean up my yard and it start with me. You know, so me I ask you, just do something different for a change, something positive. And remember, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment right down there.